Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and before we get started I want you to know you are important. Thanks for joining me today. So what we are going to do is when we're going to make the pages for this, and when I was sewing it the other day and was joking about having some Disney fabric on here, which really in hindsight you really can't tell it's there. I decided to make this into a Disney junk journal. So here we go. I need to know what size pages. So these need to be, okay, so 6.5. So we are good just to fold the 12 by 12s and the 8.5 by 11. And that will give it a good dimension. And then the height is 8. So we're going to have to trim it down a tad. So I picked out some, I didn't want like, I have princess papers and all that kind of stuff, but I want those to decorate individual pages so I can do like a layout kind of thing. So I wanted a very broad page style. So let me show you what I have. So to start with, I have some just plain paper and all my envelopes. I have quite a few different envelopes to add into it. And this is only going to be a 15 page signature. So I'm sure there's going to be stuff that will not fit into it. And then I have this really cute Minnie Mouse page. I'm hoping by cutting it won't be too bad. This is the only paper. Everything else is cardstock, which is no problem. It's just the way it is. And so I have this, and this is from Simple Stories Say Cheese 4. I have no idea if you can get it anymore. I got it off at Tuesday morning. Out in my state, they all closed, and I bought this before pandemic. So I am not sure. Anyway, so we have this, and this is where a few of them are. This is another one of those. And then this is another one of those. And when I bought these in massive packs. So like there's like 25 or 30 of just this. So I've been like going, okay, I need to figure out what to do with all this because it's kind of overloading to have all of that, you know? That many prints of one. So it'll work. I have lots of ideas for journals. So we have this. And this one. And all of these are part of that Say Cheese number 4. These are from a different pack of Disney paper I've had in my stash. I have no idea. I think I got them at Joann's, but I cannot guarantee it. I've been hoarding them for a very long time. Like, I think I got all of this when my kids were, I think my daughter was like 7. And she is now 19. So I've been hoarding these for a long time. Probably a little too long. So these are really cute little double-sided. And I thought these were okay to add into it simply because they are Disney. You know, just regular classic Disney. And then we have this, which is going to be my title. You know, oh, I can't do it that way. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do with this one then. Maybe I'll make this my center? I don't know. I'll figure it out. So, let's get cutting. Oops. So we want our size a little under 8. So I'm going to do like a notch under 8. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll zoom in for you. And look at that, I don't cut any of that off. And I'm gonna keep these and use them for pockets and belly bands and stuff like that. All right. Okay, let's count these and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then we're going to add our there we go. All right. Oh, I need to cut these. Oh, look at that. That will be perfect size. Great. But I don't know why, but this keeps trying to fold like that, even though I keep trying to put it up like this. I don't know. Anyways, we're going to put that aside. And now what I'm going to do with these ones that are cardstock is I'm actually going to lightly fold them to help make a crease right in the center, just to help fold them a little bit. And I'm very lightly pushing. I am not pushing very hard. And see, now look at that. It felt really good, no ripping. You fold towards the little hilly part. I'm not saying you're not going to get cracks in cardstock, because that's just the nature of cardstock sometimes. But it does help it to not do that. Okay, so now I need to look at what I want for my center and what I want for my opening. Here we are. You know what I was going to add is coloring pages. Oh well. I think we're going to do that as our opening. This is going to be a chunker. Look at that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. Next time I will, oh, this is upside down. Are these all upside down? Okay, I need to flip them around. No. All right. Now it's all the right way. So, when we meet, I will start decorating the inside of this and making like packets and all that kind of stuff, tags and stuff like that to add into it. So, thank you for joining me. And I will see you guys next time. You're important. Bye.